Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It is normal for people to think that it's a oft-used cliche. As it may, it is also the truth. At least in my case, it is the truth. My friends and followers in last 2 days have made lot of money. It is difficult for most of us to believe that this kind of money is possible. In just 2 days, yesterday and today, my friends and followers have come back to me and told me that they have made 200 to 600% money. That is 2 times to 6 times money in the market. I have been telling people for last 1 month, repeatedly I have been telling people last 1 month that the time is ripe for making a lot of money provided you learn. The ones who learn will make money. Ones who refuse to learn, God help them. Now, day before yesterday, I told people to start investing in Adani stocks, specifically Adani Ports. And yesterday evening, I instructed my friends and followers to look at Adani Enterprises. I also have given them other good stocks like M&M, Britannia to go long, and Divi's Lab, HDFC, life insurance, etc. to go short. Now you might think that this is the afterthought. No, it is not. It is not. And you might think that I have got a magic wand. No, my magic wand is the indicators. Indicators tell us when to go long and when to go short. Believe it or not, you too can make lakhs of rupees. Of course, mind you, it is not the same kind of percentages always. Sometimes it is 10% in a month. Sometimes it is 200% in a day. Depends. And mind you, once again, let me reiterate the fact that market is not devoid of risk. Market is always linked to risk. What is important is we need to take the risk at the right time for the right kind of risk-reward ratio. Now, when people bought Adani Port yesterday and Adani Enterprises today, there was risk. But that risk is linked to much higher reward. And people have reaped the benefit of learning and following the right advice. It is up to you how you would like to follow, how you would like to trade, what advice you would like to take, and how you would like to trade. That is completely left to you. It is individual choice. As usual, I am giving you these indicators of Nifty 50 stocks for today, and also the indicators of Nifty and Bank Nifty indices. Have a look at it. These are the indicators of Adani Port, Adani Enterprises, Adani Port to BPCL, and this is Britannia to HDFC Bank. Next is HDFC Life Insurance to Kotak Bank. Then comes L&T to State Bank of India, and Sun Pharma to Wipro. The indicators are Supertrend, ADX, Vortex 14, MACD, MACD histogram, Parabolic SAR, Kelton channel, Bollinger Band, RSI, Ultimate Oscillator, and 5-day average. These are a good combination of indicators. They give us a very good idea of where any stock or index is moving. If we learn to follow, we will be able to reap the benefit. Next comes Bank Nifty's indicators for today, or as of today, and Nifty's indicators as of today. It is not very difficult either to learn or to follow, and it is not at all difficult to make money from this market. If you wish to learn, please feel free to get in touch either by logging in to niftyindicators.com or by calling me on my mobile number given here. Take care. I'll take your leave. God bless you.